as that kese nkoma producer tetebanafo na fe so ebi nkoma African ebi nkoma Kwasimafo ebi so nkoma Nana Bedi there, and then my man Kwame Obuade in the building. Like I said earlier, I know it's not free Sabre Yakop him say everybody you mean here na de kase bon so ato so e wa dom kase fidie kase so enti asem ne akwa man so 0302 216561 0302 216562 0268 499 347. Those are the numbers I'll bet me a friend. Now I be PM Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. Now I come boom. Now I catch it right. Say Papa da wasio. One pepper so adi abedru. Ye mu bi on mo ananka ye nsem fata. Ya de bi e boy ye na esen kede ye ko wuom. Amane bi enya ye na esen kede ye ko pia fiase. Na so nyina mu no. Wonam wadom ne omobro hu so. Atwitwa gye ye. Amane ye gusu tiase ne we fa wodie. Ye o ye mpom den papa bi. Na yetimi kosan ba adenti na yemfa na ase ma adenti na yen yiwa ye na yenka se ye wo wadama ene ye tese ne ye tie eno ne de me ne umienu esa se ye na awie ye de hye ne din kronkron na nyam. So come in now and let's thank God. Yanko Community 18. Nyame Adom ho no chira ye de Adom pop party. Ye de be free. Edu chira te say kasa na chese eni e o. Na ye wo. Na chese was Spintex 18 Junction. Na sabri amika say the Ishmael e wo Community 18 Junction hono mo na debi e bia no 18 inside. Mama fa junction bia. Etienko Community 18 and Ishmael ka say hello Ishmael. Oh sorry. Ishmael line na drop. Say me moi. Ko kan 18 junction mi zo na me kan. Baby o show 18. Far away from the junction. Yes so Nana, you are listening to the show right now, says Jerry. God has been very, very good to me. I went through surgery last week, and by God's grace, I am still alive and kicking. Oh, Nana, you're my team quarter. Meba best round, Bibia be fine. Yami be nina. Yanko fa Gladys Anan. Ewo Ashaman. Oba Gladys. Hello Gladys.
Hello, Gladys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Gladys.
Amen. 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 Udem. Amen. Kafra. Amen. 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 Nyame kan why bibia be fine. You da se pass our friend. Yankosu nyina shama wa this time yene Aban. And so Emon Komarka. Hello Aban.
Hey,
as I say. Good. Miss me where pa o de achame en so.
Me de nyame aso me nkwan. Na se no na me ho fa me. Ba ena dem tu se na du ti eye.
Good.
Specifically, Shaman New York, a buying back.
Hey, New York, what the hell? Wow. All right, you. Yeah, they have me surprised. I mean, can't wait. I can no or dinner be count. Shaman New York. I said, GIA. I have beta. It was all Shaman Junior Shaman. I have beta. All right, young cock, Kokumlimle, ya Konamu, ya, Nine Cindy, and Bonkom. Hello, Cindy.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon, that's saying.
Good afternoon, Uncle Panda, me now.
Beautiful. Miss me where pa, me patro into you.
Brother, the so I born in the bush now. My brother, me say for 8 good years. And I make a pass my work out. Every day, ya Johnny, ya Johnny, but say, Adom, your book case no in our favor.
Amen. Amen.
And then Uncle Kwanso for the past 8 years, baby, I make a power our fucker, baby, our fucker, bare 4 or 5 hours, and our backward. Baby, Adom, and then Yamia man is also.
Amen. Yes, we that's a pa for your call. Nyami sure no come who used to do. Amen. Kwame Obade ati dada. Yes, so. Me patro yan Kotema Community 1. Kwesi Duncan wo ho na yentie na wie. Hello Kwesi.
Yes, sir, Brother.
Me patro boko de.
Nyame Adom ni ne kesi ye ni ne umobro ntie da setia.
Beautiful.
Brother, me jide se onso ho ye.
Me ho den Adom ni nti.
Ka me kran kan tie mu ne di anka o tie mu pa di se nyame ni nyam se nyame ye kesi anka sa.
Erocre.
Brother, and then me nyame ase because if last month junior munu winners chapel Tamarana by ka say FPC 615. Ya pese nyankopon multiply sorry no ma omodoso bebre.
Yeah.
Na nyankopon afene hu say empa butie for. Ye so for ka say enkoto 1000 chairs in family. Ye to two joining na ni hu nyame ni onya ye hu ba kwesi ada we ya etwemi ye. Ana me hu say nyankopon ye kese pa. Me say nipa doso abusua ma afi overflow west no ntimi anya essentials no. Thank you Ade. I mean, sure, be our buyer. Danyamia say, na fe bibi so hono me ba no me ka say me fa ni hospital biom na me bon pa dia no nte oye yeso afi di be 3 days the kono bibi ayira.
Amen. Danyamia say nyame timi ade nyina ye ne mu mekoba say yare bi ni ade a wo de men ka say hospital no de onko wo de I mean for gidie ne touch ne bon pa no but at least seek medical why. All right that's a pa. Yankwa Crown Newtown. Na yemfa ye nuabema Lexus Bwedi na yenti ono so. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
Lexus boko there.
Boko now sir.
Me so me ho ye pa dominanti. Yenti we.
Adom ye.
No cre.
Yankopon aboy ho ba na say na so yensi etimi aron asim dia.
I love that. Most wetimi aron asim. No I don't know. Udem.
Oh,
I asemo.
Yame akoni aban nyina na say da so kuma e say dia after Emma Yankopon.
No correct.
Original souvenirs and more company ada. Yame ase ama ye ne en client ko nyina ani opia workers opia hon to chima from January. E say ya e den yame ase. Na Tuesday twam so me papa nta for mo achimda. Edian do na de from my Saka series. Na Tuesday ni your birthday ba me try amenti mi ambo ngure. And then my wrong simu dia.
Not just a belated one and come on.
Correct.
Good.
And your boss so do na friend PBK for Kublank. July ya the birthday and so do your better one symbol or anything. I have to happy birthday.
Amen. Amen. All right, yeah, that's a power for your call. But you to check a man Jumbo Cube. Where the Adriane, who the season is on the Adena, now I'm the or question because a fat taste on the Empire channel. A man, you're for year grow because I'm in power. Nene, yeah, more when I'm waiting me winning. I check the Akashaka Shibibre. Really very simple. The more you buy, the higher your chances of winning. Cool prices. Obama now Saka Jumbo Cube now use one patron rap and I meant to train. Just keep the rappers. Now by so doing, Obabenya Chede, and some more the amount Saka 100 rappers are. Ubet me winning prices be brave. Say your bowls, bags, t-shirts, cups, and your amount of brain branded beautifully. Come on, pa. Now we have 500 rappers there, must out them. Ubenya coupon and ubet me more Quenya main draw no. Don't wash him be. Now bet me winning coolers, fans, hampers, refrigerators. Any achedi every day. Nyame Adom on the 11th of August 2018. 2 p.m. sharp at Kumase. It's because one is to Jumbo Kid. Now chedi there. I bet you there. Let me phrase 0302 269 752 and 0302 903 3161. Na ya bonche mu more na na open do so popo atun so a e betimi abo sa kwan no so yen can got you me patcho Farmer Trust Limited omo aba ma me ne omienu omo de eti omo so ana sorry and then omo akofa healthy link healthy woman e dia back. Where so bia timi nya bi mane maame a wadu ba bi a omu ni nsa biem watwa bra said you broni be kan menopause no yes pepepe edu on mo na omo tete wa hwe kra be ka so bia bo ma medua anadwo fifire boni bi etimi be free no kra adwen wa wonte ase mood swings ni ade nsese ye bufuo kra na ni buafu ade nsese chese wosre kra na wosre de sese ni mani bufu kra so na ibibie o aya ne hadwen say ade kitua bi na chese wa highly irritated chese odwen wa wonte ase eno sa no bobo moden na wape healthy link menopause tablet na de ama me eno anu no menstrual problems ahodo ni na say o jai ne menses no ay ko fa de ba no ni nyina to betwa say bi kan no your healthy link healthy woman so e wo ho yeah no ne de e boost to o fertility no enti oba ukuru de bosso a o de be bosso ase ka battery ni yawu no e de tan kawum za na age so ba se battery ni a sharp pa tan pum ne je tuato yes eti nom healthy link healthy woman e ma onyi chanso improve blood flow na a lower your chance of getting a heart related problem it will baby and baby kwan saso your healthy link hair nails and skin as well I don't have one out timi bubu asabasa ne mo wure ya yeah na so ahoyi na ye bibia hoyi ni na so atimi adi mu afefe kama pa de ama wo obenya product na bia kwan e wo pharmacy shops awodo ni nyina mu ne mom so pedodo pa de a me pacho Farmer Trust pharmacies are holding in Emuno, Ubo on Sabekabi, Baseline Pharmacy, I feel Kelmet Pharmacy, Ozone's Chemist, I feel do any chair Mercado Pharmacy, Coffee Chrome Pharmacy, Biotic Pharmacy, Nisi Pharmacy, Art Pharmacy, East Cantonment Pharmacy, and I feel Palmat Pharmacy, Samsona Hills Pharmacy. I don't know, is it Hillside Pharmacy? No, Hillside. Well, it's a grass store. Anyway, I want you now do any chemwa. Do be here, Biano. On Sa Ebeka. Simple and cheat, yeah, trust rock anymore. Then I see honor. Yeah, they are also a Guaranteed Trust Bank Ghana Limited. And then 737 hash service no it was so cost then say was so and they will bet me a account instantly on your mobile phone. Our brown banking yes, unbelievable, right? Very simple. Just dial *737 hash 1 there be star 737 star 1 hash on your mobile phone. Now I'll provide you details. No, say your name, gender, date of birth, region, city of residence, baby, and one of them. You better access so no be a account on your mobile phone, Odo. Baby, I guarantee Trust Bank there do no. Now to complete the process, no, obey enter a preferred 4-digit PIN. And one no new GT bank account, no, not just say you generated the amount instantly. I ready. And guess what? You can also link your account to your mobile money wallet for easy transfer by just dialing star 737 hash. Now we'll choose the last option. Remember, GT Bank. Yeah, there's all the home bedroom. Yeah. Wouldn't how? So bet me I spend this city to open an account, and then your zero balance account. Oh, very, very, very simple and convenient. Just dial star 737 star 1 hash and get started today. For further assistance, phrase 050-144-9481 and our phase 050-140-9490. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Okay, young choir man. So, hello.
Hello.
Me patch your friend saying. Kobe, I am the last caller for today. Ofie Latabia Okoshi.
Hey. I'm making us more than 20 minutes.
Hey. Sir. And you do what bread?
My brain. Now, who they see? Never. Near one, I'm near skinny.
So.
Okay. But only better Otu Sena Mami into Ose. Hey. Femishania waya.
Kobe dear nai.
Manu to me.
Okay, Yoko. Okay, Yoko. Manu to me ka. Incident amada. Minya miase. Wana dumbe brebe. Mintu mi fama no eyi waye enti irade de na me. Okay baba for my family and au irade yeda wasi.
Saturday, Abra, near your live watching. Escape.
But
voice no ya say no.
Kobe Matiwa.
Yeah, cassava baba who needs me na make us.
Kobe be sure one corner miss richly.
Nyamishra.
All right. Hey, Kobe Okumi. Anyway, and Mr. Robert Echo Asma on the birthday. So happy birthday, Echo Emma, Mr. Robert Echo Asma. May God satisfy you with long life, peace, and joy from your wife and children. Now, ono edi ni birthday no. Ono so wish you before for birthday. I just want to share that day no. No, Madam Comfort Annie AJ of GNPC. May God bless you and continue to grant you all your heart desires. With Mr. Robert Echo Asma. Our also 18th birthday and it's not just a happy birthday. Uncle Emma Munina and that day a quiet strong so. Mr. Robert Echo Asma. And I feel so Madam Comfort Annie AJ of GNPC. May God bless the two of you as you celebrate your birthdays today. Me patcho, yan fire sida edu ono. Emma DBS Industries Limited on my DBS roofing sheet. Yeah, I bought dance one. I just say, what do I dream? What that is so how be a NHE coloring plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet. I just say no. A board dance or boga. FE papa. Color na FD and Pili of Puna Campus a chance in a rusty. And it's Monday amounts and Kabi, over to be amount 20-year warranty. It was so. Best I enjoy 5% discount. There was Pinterest Road next to Papa Restaurant. Example, the BR friend was 0240 844 444 and a 0204 344 561. Your factory should be Kumasi Tamalina Fe Takra de DBS Industries. Yeah, roof experts no. Go if you be from. All right, so for those of you who are listening to us and watching us live on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM, and we also live on YouTube and Adom FM Live. Now, Nora Boatin, please send me the number so I can call to the show. Yeah, for course, Neri. That number, Charlie, send the man on Facebook. That's a whole crime boy. More channel crime will be here. I feel Adom Samuel, or say good one. Sounds when I'm announcing Afo, or say nice one. Robert, is it Sakimo or Sachimo? Dazi. And also, say hello, Jerry Justice. This is my first time watching you or Cantonment. Number in your dear Google and tuition numbers now. Anytime you baby phone lines, you can also call. Naki Chawe, and also say which one is for Jerry Justice. Numbers on Pacho be a new number. No numbers, Ned. Letitia was I always love Ofie Kwanso. Big ups to you guys. Please send my love to you, Kwame Obade. All right, Nana Daniel, I see you. Afeitili Nana Ekuya Debra. Sounds like Akosia Dela Bethy. I'll say, hey, Jerry, Akosia Uzu. Constance Nana Jo, I'll say, please, who composed this song? Which song are you talking about? Okray Muino. Menya sure say no. Okay, anyways, I say, dear boy, no. Okray Mubai. Stella Abbasil, then times Stella Dugan, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Prince Sefa, or say I love you, die. Prince, I love you back, AdomOnline.com. Me patch on open info be a yako. A honor some no honor a authentic. A haunt to say other areas now a grow 4 per clicks near the Adetino. Now be one story be a no one share die, no they are towards a bay and grow for the bow no when yaka crap with Debbie. Yeah, hold the end there, authentic. It was a story be that Adom Online and say, yeah. It is someone, I'm going to take no more Russia, Koya, FH, no more by announce you. That's a story, nephew, Debbie. And 2 per hot audios, videos near the Nina, Bibia, pictures, events, how do you cost Babia, Yakovana, AdomOnline.com. Obenyanina. Shannon so say Adom Praise 2018, so a basso den in the month of August. A basso den Echabia. Now you're bogum heavy pie. Hey, yeah, baby. Your friend wants that man Belacqua, probably Ghanaian, a fake Vitamog, a meal on its own. Luzantil tablet. I'm quite no. Anyway, formulated to overcome malaria resistance and a classic no mosquito coil and spray. Obeda Philly, Big Boss energy drink, bust it up. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Sanso and NBF gingival gel, new best friend for your mouth. Polar Ice, your #1 angelic gel, and our Franco Trading Enterprise. phone papa fie. You don't want to say. Madama, I'm with you, my baba, crack. But anyone you go so I kono. And then July bosomene there toss do me the 12th of July. And Chebia, Bekwe we me pacho enkwa nkosi the 31st of July wa konya say MTN Ghana shares you so betimi atobi at 75 Ghana pesos per share. But I saw turn in multiples of 10 with a minimum purchase of 7 CDs, 50 pesos. It's your phone says here and dial *170 hash. No one selected option 7 to buy through MTN Momo. You can equally dial *533 hash. Now what to me asks say prospectus no. And yes, I'll be to me I call mtnGhanaShares.com for further details. Make sure so be kind prospectus no what I say ye and so the one she want to be seek appropriate expert advice and so what participate in the offer. MTN everywhere you go. Chobi ebe sha somewhere di tu on for na wie e wo dwumadi so ene purpose business am in country say wo fie now feeling lazy un person be pia kokro mu a wo dey just give us a call and one ye beba near the pizza now pen abro wo Legon in important one for East Legon branch no 0248 820 535 and now 020 636 8703. Spinktest branch no 050 291 1720 and our Osu branch no so 0263 there be 0266 356 498. Second branch no so 0560 027 195. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. If I show any so Airtel Tigo so as long as a network is bigger, better, and stronger. Now more conducting network upgrade area. Say baby to me aboa. Na can Airtel na fake can Tigo yeah be one big network no. Customers need net me wider coverage, faster internet, and that's a fast internet experience. You know, superior voice quality in na kabum di ama preocupe. Na sa upgrade we know. It will be seamless without causing any disruption. But in an unlikely event, Sekobasa will experience any issue. Biana, now do mobile phone. Now you'll be connected again. So yeah, manually just select Tigo on your network settings to remain connected. Still, I'm fadia. Now our 100. That's 100. And for any Airtel Tigo customer experience shall be BMO. Oh my fan baby for assistance. I enjoy the robust nationwide coverage, fast internet experience, and crystal clear call clarity. Airtel Tigo, one big family. By Kankatsi, Konoswa Jewelry Wipes. What the for a good year one brand new? As a walk out from. Yeah, baby, tia semwa yedi tu on for na wie e wo Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. Nemom tie, another year the 12th of July and our Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair. Yeah, pound to money biom day 1 enie atumu akopem Sunday ye di animo ebe. Etipacho just passed by at the Accra International Conference Center for the Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair. Bibia be here bia convenient shopping experience. What me I engage you with wedding professionals, designers, vendors, anyone who can to help you live your dream. BB any friend 0246 477 783 now 0540 106 466. Somebody can share say and there. Yami Adom Sunday the 15th of July and baby our Accra International Conference Center. Each day be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And also bet me don't want Jimubi. The Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair is brought to you by Joy 99.7 FM and sponsored by PMMC Jewelry Limited, the nation's premier jeweler. Afe Ruby's Bridal Experience Royalty, Curious Cakes by EKGS, Curious Cakes where cake meets style, and our Angels Beauty Supplies, It's all about looks. Black Secret makeup. Beautiful smiles always. Pepsi, own the moment. Still 1 Ghana CD pair. Team 1,000 words limited. An image is worth 1,000 words. We created the proof. Millennium Insurance, your trustworthy partner. And 925, creating a treasure for a lifetime. So by Kanketsi, Konosua jewelry wipes, and a babitia somewhere ye de etu ye home for area. Now somewhere did you for an area, you know. Yenina ye watch chefa ewumu. Pretty simple, right? But ye becken kankakram. Patro asem what brofoka semono. Or say, don't wait until everything is just right. It will never be perfect. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and less than perfect conditions. So what? Get started now. With each step you make or you take, you grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled, more and more self-confident, and more successful. Don't wait until everything is just right. It will never be perfect. There will always be challenges, obstacles, and less than perfect conditions. So get started now. With each step you take, you grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled, more and more self-confident, and more successful. Tiyo chomni say, abrabo na ye bon ewiase na ye bae no. Enya de a ubetimi anya bibia frenchim pepe pe ache so how bia ni hu da. Dabi. Yeah, now you say some people were born with golden spoons. Even omumpo, omo e wo omu tu sie sumpo no. Bibia anya boko sa o. Wo ye nipa nko ade. Eye den a ebere bi bebe mu oden kakra. Ahoche betimi aba, ade bi bebe betimi ahye so. Ade bi bebe betimi aba be ya kwanside. Bi betimi abetwa fa wakwan mu. Ebi anamo bi a wutu na bibi sometime uni baby if you buy na ababa before akwam a distracted. Sane man sa challenges ni na beba. And you say, oh, why do you say, oh, train for that perfect time? And sana anamobia wutu, but I be a si when you so a dear be a person, oh, yeah, or die soon be a person to one amono. Oh, train till say, be a bedroom from once or to anamodia, or betrache. I shall walk train muana, or brass was so defias as usual. Evo and one babeto. Dear Sassa, we and say, she as though and the situation on and shut down yet perfect, sir, and shut down yet favorable, sir, but start it anyway. Now, Ugusuno, each step be an animal be able to be a fat, the way and who be ano. A wow, Emma etimi show ding, Emma the pim conking, a wow. Emma to me who are there now yen who yansa. Emma wa so crano, would me bring utimi kwadare wo de wo ye no esan say wo ye na edu ba bi na esai ana edu ba bi na say bombo bi aba nenso udi obesia enkete na wo koso ana wo ye no na udi nya humu bebre e wo sa na mo na wutu no saa so na eboa wo ema wa no timi nya gidie mapane akukuduro e wo wa mu wo gye hu di sampa anamo ya wutu e ne kwa so ano no de wo ye eno ana wo ye no na ehyew den ma timi ye no emroso na dodo na uguso awo ye ni sey no dodo na sumu na wonya nkunum die ni fi kakra ene wadi nkunum ha ade eche wadi nkunum ha saa na keka bomu a na ayemu a na de wadu ba bi esese dudu it is a why wadwen say na nka wo twen se bibia be kama ansa na wahya ase atu anamon a ende sisa wadwen move on kwese na anu adansuo bi eto yi madware awie siesie me kama pa ya mpese mpie suwe nso di dwa na etwa ka musu na metra ba adwuma na ba bia ka di sinami pie free dem akwotena ka anum no eno ho no me yom mi ho twam adie me so chinya na me fa umbrella simiti so a me wura enya sa umbrella nso me ni bi na me jan kokwa sa na me so kra concert be na me yi come on let's go me jiga ya crumble kwa ma fampo and once me pia me just fast me wura msuo kakra bi gunu am etran kan wi azia me ho asan wo e na me koi enti bibi se na se wo so wo twen akopem se ensuo no beti we na wie mu clear kama dried kama anso wasimu a so to wa na de asan wo enti ye nyina ye mfa nya futu se man ho na awie yi na bibia ye bia no ye nton koso ne ye even though situation no e wo mu no grounds no nhye dan nye papa sa but still try uguso nkakra no enkunumdie ebeba na nso betimi akoma konkan ye first waslan ma kono so jewelry wipes yeah we ne abepiem ya che say ye gold chain bi na say silver chain bi che say jewelry ahodo ni nyina no agudi ahodo ni nyina no unya bisa na ho ba fia we no wo de fa ho apena na sama na brand new to say the wakwa akoto for no especially ladies makeups ya mo ye ne ade wo san sweat for kakra ne ade a na edi stains edi niema bi agudie no ho na ama adimi intimi bright bright papa sa by say timi sparkle I say light to so bi sa na ehyen kakra bi sa ne ade no ho ba fia bomodin a ma won sanka kono so jewelry wipes bi wo de fefa ho wie na no bo say